Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. Smoked it. Good girl, Jazz. Bring it here. Good girl. You ready? Remember how the other one flew that way? They usually do the same thing. I'd stand like right here. Like right beside me. Yeah, I can see it. Ready? Here we go. Ready? Get your gun up. Ready? Be ready. Kill it. Smoked it. Good job, Trish. Good girl, Jazz. Bring it here. Shoot.
Yeah.
Those are all. Yeah, these are a little different. These are a little different. I knew you couldn't shoot over me, so I shot it for you. Here, she's smelling it from down that way. We might have walked past it. I didn't know that was a quail. Good grief. Good girl, Jazz. Good girl. Ready? Kill it. Yeah, nice job, Trish. Good job. Good girl. Good girl, Jazz. Bring here. Good girl. Okay. Let's walk in front of her here. Kind of get over to her on her other side. Don't see it behind me. She's kind of looking this way.
Not expecting that.
I can tell. Bring it here, Jazz. Good girl. Here. Good girl. Good girl. Kill it. Kill it. Kill it, Trish. Right here. Coming at you. Don't shoot the dog. Don't shoot the dog. Kill it. Hunt dead!
Well.
Hunt dead! Hunt dead! Hunt dead! Hunt dead! Find him. Good girl! Good girl! Bring him here. Good girl.